Come in. Come in. Uh, Hey, Twilight. Hello. Oh. Ugh. Oh, where were you guys? Oh, Twilight and Spike. We're just coming from the store. Like rainbows and with all those cartoons and stuff for Saturday morning programming. Oh, this is totally cool. Yeah, and we're just having a big party at the RV bus. Can't you believe it? Are you with us? Oh, cool. Pinky, I was just taking a nap. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Oh, there's some food mukbangs in the kitchen. Do you want to have some? Sure. Okay. Go have some dinner. Oh,